Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the error "We couldn't find any drives." To get a storage driver, click Load Driver during Windows installation. This message usually appears when the installer cannot detect your SSD or hard drive because of missing storage drivers or incorrect BIOS settings. First, enter UBIOS or UEFI settings by restarting your computer and pressing the required key, usually F2, Delete, or F12. Once inside, check the storage configuration. Make sure your drive is detected. If you see RAID mode enabled, try switching it to AHCI, then save changes and restart the installation. If the drive still does not appear, you may need to manually load storage drivers. Visit your motherboard or laptop manufacturer's official website on another computer and download the correct SATA or NVMe storage drivers. Copy those drivers onto a USB flash drive. Now restart the Windows installation. When you see the Load Driver option, click it. Insert the USB with the drivers and browse to the folder containing the extracted driver files. Select the correct driver and click Next. Windows should now detect your storage device. Also, disconnect any unnecessary external drives to avoid conflicts. After these steps, your drive should appear normally, allowing you to continue the Windows installation without errors. Subscribe the channel for more videos.